somebody else's rubbish is another man's treasure. I want to show you what Martin has done. He has transformed an old fence that somebody discarded into a beautiful fence to keep that Sojuni safe and all my children safe. And it's got a lovely gate here. I don't think I can touch it, can I? Yes, look at this lovely gate, all done with reclaimed fencing. And this on the ground is somebody's siding on their house. Not somebody's, the McKays. And there's some of their blue siding, which is going to be a boardwalk. Oh, there's so many things happening here. It's very exciting. DIY it. Why throw it away, guys? It's beautiful. I love it. Thank you. It takes a lot of hard work, though. Oh, he's doing the dance. It takes a lot of hard work, but it's well worth it.